Cloud for Utilities is the next generation solution for utilities that targets different markets and different market roles. The goal of a project is definitely to reduce the cost to serve and TCO. That means that we try to highly standardize the solution in areas that are non-value generating. In areas that are value generating, we want to give you the full flexibility so that you can address new markets and revenue potentials. So Cloud for Utilities gives you the possibility to either consume it in a so-called hybrid landscape. Hybrid means one of a component is the classical ISU, where we think about to cover the meter-to-cash process. But if it comes about customer service, marketing, that is already then covered fully in the cloud. And the second deployment option, that is fully as a multi-tenant edition. Really, all is cloud only, and there is no ISU being used anymore. So you can already imagine that there's a dramatical switch between the solution offer, what we have in hybrid, because where you find your classical ISU and what you learned in the last 10, 20 years, compared to the new cloud only, where there is a drastic simplification and automation in place. Normally we are targeting to do that every 3 months, maybe every half year. But here we want to get the feedback from you as a customer. I mean, in a cloud we can have very short delivery cycles. But what we learned in discussion with customers, that sometimes your business users are stressed by permanent updates. So it's more a question is, how often can your business deal with updates? And here we want to get your feedback. The release cycle is already influenced by you, and you can imagine that you heavily influence what we ship. Where can we simplify the solution? What is the value of a certain solution? That is the information we need from you. And then together we decide what will then be and how be delivered. The goal of Cloud for Utilities is simplification, standardization. And standardization means to listen to many and then decide together what is really needed by the majority of customers. And there's no better way than to do it via co-innovation, where a lot of customers join and then we sit together and then to decide what really matters for your industry. So the project is quite interesting in terms of developers. It's a mixture of senior developers, that come from the old days where ISU have been developed. It's a mixture of young talents that bring very new ideas inside. They really challenge us, what is needed and what is not. And Accenture that brings the input from a customer directly into development, because in the past we have done customer-specific developments. And that is a very good mix. So what I see, we benefit a lot from this group of people that are split around the globe. So one location is Germany, this other development location is Montreal. And that's our setup for the development. I'm happy that we are doing it that way. That's a funny question. I think you're meaning really energy. I think you're not meaning energy data, because of course we can store energy data, but you think about energy. Well, we never know what happens. We can meanwhile store energy in different forms. Why not then storing it sometimes in the cloud? But that's not part of our project.